If you're looking for Christmas kids sheets, here's a collection you've got to see. The Christmas Shop. Top Christmas kids sheets gifts ideas. Number 1, by Anself. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by MoCeYa. Number 3, by LINENWALAS. For more great Christmas kids gift ideas and deals, click this circle. Number 4, by Tinksky. Number 5, by Elegant Comfort. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6, by OTC. Number 7, by Brooklyn Camellia. Discover more Christmas kids sheets ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 8, by High Mount. Number 9, by Big Home. The top Christmas kids sheets gifts ideas were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10, by Happy Deals.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.